All right, guys, so I've just recently bought a 2025 Honda Pilot, longtime Pilot owner. I've got my '07 right next to it over here. And my '07 had a dead battery. I actually am in the process of removing and replacing a high pressure power steering line on that '07. Hadn't started in a while, my battery's dead, and I came out to jump it with my 2025. And when I opened up, this is actually the first time I've gotten under the hood on my 2025 outside of the dealership. And I'm looking at my battery. Here's my positive terminal right here. And your negative terminal is buried. I can even get down to it under this air take resonator box right here. All right. So what we're going to do, I couldn't figure out how to get this sucker off of there. You can see right here, initially I thought that this was some sort of bolt that needed to be undone. But no, this is actually pretty easy. I haven't seen anything else on it so far, so let me show you how to get this sucker off of there to get to that battery real quick. All right, so the first thing that you want to do is make sure that your hose, tilt that a little bit, your hose is off of the resonator box. So you can just pull that hose right off the resonator box right there. Okay, and then I'll get these posts. What you want to do over here on this resonator box is just pull up, and that'll pop right off of the posts that are there. All right, now this one, the grommet came off the box. You can just put that right back on. Probably a good idea maybe to put a little bit of grease on these posts right here to make it a little bit easier. But that grommet's now back on that box. It's off, and we now have full access to the battery. All right, so there you go, quick tip. Thanks for watching.